Someone would mention, I think it was Marion mentioned that her aunt used to put spinach in the mashed potatoes. Well, I used to put carrots in the mac and cheese for my kids. I don't know. I grew up eating carrots, but it just wasn't like a preference as I became an adult. So the other things too is if it's not an expense, keep a bag of shredded carrots in your bin in the refrigerator. Hint, they last forever, like forever, ever, ever. And so I just kept going back like weeks later. I'm like, you're still here? But you can put shredded carrots in everything. It's just like you heat up some broth, some veggie broth, you throw some carrots in, and you feel fancy. It's all about the fancy for the day.
Oh yeah, that's so funny. When you were talking about that, I think in my household, we actually add cauliflower to our mac and cheese. I had been tricked for years. I didn't even know until I was recently told. I was like, wow, okay, I have to start doing that now because I like it.